So in this week's technique tutorial, we're going to look at brush embroidery. And brush embroidery is taken from the baking world, and it's where you use icing to create a effect on icing. And I've adapted this, and it has been adapted for soap to be able to kind of create a surface design. So the first thing we're going to do is take our design. Now, on this case, I'm just using some flowers, some floral designs here to represent peelings. But they're going to be fairly abstract, so I'm not particularly worried. But in order to transfer our design onto our soap, we're basically going to use a paper template and poke through all of the lines with a pin tool or a pointed tool or something that just kind of pierces through the paper into the soap. And you'll follow around your soap on all of the lines that you want to transfer onto the soap. And that's basically where you're going to get your template from. And you'll see in a second here, as we remove the paper, you've got a nice template there ready to go for your next stage. So I've done 3 soaps and I've got all of my templates ready to go. So you can see here I've got my outline all pricked through onto the soap. So let's move back to this first one we had. And now I've got some soap here. This is just some of my standard soap recipe that I let set up a little bit thicker. And I'm basically following the outline of one of my pricked edges. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually use a paintbrush to pull this soap batter towards the centre of this shape. So you can see here, just using the slightly wetted brush, obviously wetted with some distilled water, and I'm just pulling that soap in towards the centre. So it gives you this kind of embroidery style shape on the outside on the inside of that line. And all you're going to do is essentially go round the soap each time, creating these lines and then dragging it towards the centre of that particular section. Now, I quite like the abstract nature of this because I've only used a portion of a flower, but you can do this for a whole flower, you can do it for virtually anything. Prick it through onto the soap and then drag that through. So I'll leave you with a little bit of music to watch this process in real time. and that was the first soap done in the brush embroidery style. So what we'll do next is just go through the other soaps. They've got slightly different ways to them, but we'll speed it up a touch just so you're not sitting here for an entire 15 minutes watching me pipe soaps, and we'll come back at the end to see the final product. And there we have it, brush embroidered soap. If you've enjoyed this video today, why not give it a like? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click the bell icon to get notified of when new videos get uploaded. And thanks a lot, soapsters. We'll see you again next time.